Hi guys, welcome back. Popping on to do a layout for the scrap room. I'm on the design team and I work with the flavors of the month. So this is the kit that is for its flavors of the month, Maggie Holmes round trip. And guys, the colors in it, there's these great like purpley tones that are so gorgeous, and we don't get a lot of those colors in scrapbooking. So let me show you what I'm going to be working with. I have 2 sheets of Fig Swirl. Don't know if I'm going to use them or not. I have a thing for pattern paper. We're going to see how that goes. This one is called Journey. So look at the color match on that. It's fab. So really great florals in this paper with this like painty kind of vibe. This is a much larger floral. It's called Wanderlust. Love this. And we've got this really great like wavy gingham here. And then this one is called Passage. So diagonal stripe, which is my very favorite stripe. And this really cool golden geometric on this side. And the embellishments I have to work with, I have half of the stickers from this collection. So they're a really nice weight. I can pop them up, get dimension, all of that kind of thing. And yeah, and I can get my title from here as well. So it's either going to be Explorer or Sun and Fun. So we're going to figure that out as we go. Don't know. So what I think I need to do, I love a diagonal stripe to mat a layout. Oh, and I didn't tell you guys, I'm going to use the Jumpstart sketch by Lisa Heidi. So we've got a big old background, a really large fishtail banner, a rectangular piece that's pretty wide, a nice photo block, maybe a tab, something like that. But I do have all of these great stickers and embellishments going this way. Oh, title, subtitle. Super awesome. Couple photos, good to go. So I think we're going to be able to do that with this kit with zero problem. So first, I will go ahead and cut the branding strip off of this gorgeous piece. Step 1. Because, like I said, I like a diagonal stripe so much, and it always makes your stuff look awesome when you mat with it. Now, I need to gut the yellow. I have to figure out if I'm going to have enough going every which way. So if I used this as, oh, guys, I don't know what to do because I want to border with it. All right, I think I'm going to bring in a little bit of that Fig Swirl so I can get all those patterns. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. So I do think I'm going to go ahead and cut this piece right here, 11.5 by 11.5, and then gut this so I will have that for my background. Now what I have to decide is what will be that really giant fishtail banner piece. I love this floral. I'm thinking the floral because it's the really big thing. And then I can come across with this really great indigo shade for that rectangle, and then have this around my photos for the mat. I think that's the way I'm going to go with it. So let me get all of those pieces in place, and then we'll start building this out. Super quick, I've attached this. I haven't attached. I need to attach this piece on. I'm going with an over exaggerated block, and I will fishtail banner it. Got this really great indigo color. And what I think I'm going to do is come in with this piece as part of that photo block. So let's see. But I also want to map my photos. I'm going to do a block in a block. So I'm going to do this and then pop them on to this one because I want to use everything. I do. I want to use everything. I can't help it. Okay, thought I'd show you how it's building and building, and then I'll really be back in a second. So I have these pieces on. Now there's a little tab piece that is in our sketch, and I realized I hadn't used this pattern paper yet, and since I want to use all of the things, that works. So what we have, let me show you the sketch really quickly and my layout. So things are looking pretty close right now. I did a super exaggerated fishtail banner because I wanted to. And my photo block is smaller than what you see here. That's totally fine. Now, the title is showing at the moment right here. I'm not sure if it's going to stay there. We'll see. Who knows? And then there's supposed to be kind of embellishments here and here. Sweet. So this is what I have. And I want to look at my title-y stuff. So I'm thinking sun and fun just because I love it is what I'm thinking. But then I also know I want to get all these other things on. And I know I want bigger clusters. So I think we better shimmy over just a little bit more so I have more room. This is what I'm thinking. All right, a little T-square ruler action because I can't line anything up. It's a true story. All right, so I also have, see how I have this bit here? I also have these really great bits that I can tuck in to start creating a cluster. Like I love these postage stamps, and I think I need one in both of my cluster areas. I think I want it behind it, and it's a sticker. Thinking things through would be really, really bright. All right, that can be kind of like that. This I want up on some dimensional adhesive. Okay, so the dealio is I have to stare at this stuff for a moment because I get excited and I want to make sure everything works. So I want, yeah, something kind of going like that. And now I don't want that piece on an angle. I did, and now I don't. And now I want this one up on adhesive. So I am going to faff with this a little bit. I won't stick anything else down till I come back. Well, I'm going to stick the title down, but then the rest will come back and stick all down together. So I'm playing and faffing and faffing and playing. And you know how I have the black block there? I was thinking, come on, I didn't try to stick this little guy down. I was thinking it would be fun to have a block with this black piece here as well because it totally anchors. That's my point. So I'll go ahead and put that down. My little butterfly started to stick. Let me start bringing this back down because that's what I was trying to do, is have it be interesting going this way. So I guess we can stick some stuff down because I'm back on the camera, right? And hold on, I'm going to straighten up my layout. I know people are like, oh my gosh, that's bugging me. It's fine. It's all fine, guys. So let's do that. And now let's see where we want to put these things. I love these little butterflies. I don't know why, but I just love them on layouts. Now look at these gorgeous florals. That looks like a hydrangea. I don't know if it's supposed to be a hydrangea, but that is what I'm vibing off of it. And then we've got some florals down here. Let's make a little bouquet with whatever we have because I like to. Let's see. And then we have this one. Okay. So we have that. Clearly, purple flowers are a total thing in this. There, we'll have flowers going two ways. So if I have this one, oh, that's pretty. Let's make a bouquet like this. And I don't know. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I have a bouquet. Isn't it cute? It's a whole bouquet. And I think we're gonna go like that. All right, so we have a bouquet. What else? What else? We did get ice cream one night, but not this night. This night we are trying to run to the ocean, you know, after a day of exploring to see the sunset, and it was just about to pour. So we're like, oh, we're running down there, just trying to get all the fun out of this whole thing that we could. It's totally what was going on. And have some of that go off onto the fake swirl. Ooh, I like this little spot here, and I can just use a tiny dot of dimensional adhesive. So that is basically my design. I'm going to keep popping on whatever bits from this sticker sheet that I can to keep building this out. And I will have still shots for you guys in just a moment. I'm also going to have links down below for the ScrapRoom website, for the blog, as well as the Facebook group. that way you guys can join us, show us what you're doing with your projects, all that kind of good stuff. I'm gonna pop a couple more things on here. And you know, I'm kind of thinking of coming in with a little bit of splatty bits at the very end. So I'll come back and do that with you. Let's see about getting some splatty bits in here. I've got this color. It is a Shimmers Paints. It's an Inklings called Frosty Buns. And when it dries, you get just this icy, icy shimmer. And I thought that might be a good little ticket for this because we've got this really pretty baby blue in here. So kind of subtle in the splatty bits world, but hey, it's super pretty. Just a little something something on some of these little areas here. Bringing the background to the foreground and the foreground to the background and all of that good stuff. So after I get these pics taken care of, I will pop them up. You'll have still shots, links down below, all that kind of stuff like we talked about. And I'm going to go ahead and keep going on this little diagonal right here. And it will show up because it comes out so shimmery. I mean, they're called shimmers, right? There we go. Okay, guys, that's what I have for you today. I'll be back ever so soon with another video. Bye for now. Still shots in 1 second.